Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about the Silicon Valley of India or IT capital of India, that is Bangalore. It is the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. Bangalore is the second fastest growing major metropolis in India. Bangalore has one of the most highly educated workforces in the world. It is home to many educational and research institutions. Today, Bangalore is India's third most populous city. Bangalore lies in the southeast of the South Indian state of Karnataka. The majority of the city of Bangalore lies in the Bangalore urban district of Karnataka, and the surrounding rural areas are a part of the Bangalore rural district. The topology of Bangalore is generally flat, though the western parts of the city are hilly. Groundwater occurs in silty to sandy layers of the alluvial sediments. Vegetation in the city is primarily in the form of large deciduous canopy and minority coconut trees. Bangalore has a tropical savanna climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. The coolest month is January with an average low temperature of 15.1 degrees Celsius, and the hottest month is April with an average high temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Bangalore receives rainfall from both the northeast and the southwest monsoons, and the wettest months are September, October, and August in that order. Most of the rainfall occurs during late afternoon, evening, or night, and rain before noon is infrequent. Bangalore is known as the Garden City of India because of its greenery, broad streets, and the presence of many public parks such as Lal Bagh and Cubbon Park. Bangalore is sometimes called as the pub capital of India and the rock or metal capital of India because of its underground music scene, and it is one of the premier places to hold international rock concerts. The diversity of cuisine is reflective of the social and economic diversity of Bangalore. Bangalore has a wide and varied mix of restaurant types and cuisine, and Bangaloreans deem eating out as an intrinsic part of their culture. UDP restaurants are very popular and serve predominantly vegetarian regional cuisine. Indian Cartoon Gallery. The Cartoon Gallery is located in the heart of Bangalore, dedicated to the art of cartooning, is the first of its kind in India. Every month, the gallery is conducting fresh cartoon exhibition of various professional as well as amateur cartoonists. MG Road, Bangalore. It is located in central Bangalore. MG Road is one of the most popular shopping and entertainment hub of Bangalore, swarming with people at almost all the time. One must visit the place if in Bangalore. UB City Mall. Located in Central Business District in Bangalore, this luxury mall is the one-stop destination for all your high-end brand needs. The place takes care of all your exclusive needs, whether it is shopping at some high-end store, ultra-fine dining, or even taking a spa after a long day of work. This place has it all. Bangalore Palace. The majestic Bangalore Palace, enclosed by Beautiful Gardens is a famous tourist attraction in the Bangalore. It is now owned by the Mysore royal family. India is renowned for its diversity. It is a glorious country that has a beautiful and delicate mixture of tradition and modernity. One such rich blend is found in the city of Bangalore. Much more than glass buildings, the city is famous for its charming festivals and fairs. When you plan to visit to Bangalore, ensure that you are aware of the upcoming festivals in Bangalore. Karaga Festival. It is the oldest and most important festival to be celebrated in Bangalore. The festival is celebrated in the name of goddess Shakti, and the celebration lasts for 9 days. It is celebrated in the month of March to April. Haba, the garden city has people significantly involved in celebrations. Artists from around the world come together and add soul to the celebrations with their performances. The festival is celebrated at the year end, which lasts for 10 days. Puja Kunitha is a popular ritualistic folk dance of Karnataka practiced largely around Bangalore and Mandya districts. Wildlife sanctuary in Bangalore that will leave you astonished is Bandipur National Park, a former hunting ground for the Maharaja of Kingdom of Mysore. The Bandipur National Park is a popular wildlife sanctuary in Karnataka. Here you will get to see lions, tigers, sambar, chital, mouse deer, and gaur. Now it's time for us to talk about Bangalore's signature experience, that is Wonderla. Wonderla Water Park in Bangalore is beyond doubt the best water park in the city. It is renowned for its high thrill rides, but there are other relaxing booths that attract people of all ages, thus making it an all encompassing place. Did you find this video interesting? Please share your experience in the comment and let us know in the comments below. Enjoyed this video? Please like, share and subscribe to Escapeonism. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching.